Trading day, yes, a new trading day. The date is July 2nd, 2026. We're gonna go over the one trade I made today. Today I made, or I'm sorry, we're gonna go over one trade I made today. Today I lost $670, $670 across my two Tradify accounts. Yep. Today was an interesting day. Um, Super interesting actually. I faded a lot of trades. Faded up, I think um, three trades that played out, and then the one I finally made, I obviously lost. How do I feel? I'm not too upset about it, to be honest. This looks so messy, but it was basically just this inverse. I'm not too upset about it. I haven't lost in a while. We haven't lost in almost exactly 30 days, which is crazy, and I'm extremely grateful for it. Um, and even the time when we did lose, like when I showed my P&L, it wasn't like a loss that was 100% my fault. So, yeah, I knew that obviously a loss is coming. It was super abnormal to just have a winning streak like this off the bat as a beginner trader. So, I'm not too upset that I lost today. But yeah, coming into the market, what was I seeing? I was honestly thinking bullish or bearish for today. I was thinking bearish until I looked at news. I saw that it was bullish news, and I also saw that we were reacting off this 15 minute right off the bat. You can see right here. Market open. We came straight, or sorry, let me go back. We had a hourly was a f- we had this 4 hour finally get hit, as you guys see. This 4 hour finally got hit yesterday, I believe, or whatever, Monday, Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday. This 4 hour finally got hit that I've been looking at for days. And then we didn't really have like a valid untapped um fair value gap. As you see, all of these were tapped into, tapped into. All these are tapped into. Even on the downside, or I guess except this one. Didn't even see this one, but I didn't even see this one. Wow, I'm tripping. Okay, I didn't see this one. Um, but this one was already, I guess, tapped into. So, but yeah, all these fair value gaps were tapped into, except I believe this. Oh, this was tapped into as well, wasn't it? Yeah, this 15 minute right here. So what was I looking for? I was looking for price to have reaction off this 15 minute, maybe go longer, um, or go shorter, depending on how this reaction will be. And what happened? I will highlight it for you guys. What happened? This is the 15 minute I was talking about. Price came into it right at market open. Price came into it right at market open and traded into it. Had a crazy bounce off. So what I do, I went down to the lower time frame. I was looking for maybe a beautiful inverse towards the upside that I could take. And what did I see? I actually saw a 3 minute. I saw a 3 minute here. Oh my goodness, this is gonna mess me up. Yeah, this is gonna mess me up. Okay, I saw this 3 minute here. This one. Wait, this. There you go. This one here. Saw this 3 minute. I was looking for an inverse, and I would take my profit up to this high here, or to this high. Doesn't really matter. And it inversed, and I didn't take it. You can see I mapped it out here. I wanted to come up, come down, and come all the way up to here. Um, and then after that, after it came up, I went down to the 30 second. Oh no, I went down to the 1 minute. I went down to the 30 second. I'm going back and forth. I saw this big candle, so then I went to the 1 minute. Saw this beautiful inverse here. There's not a 2 minute. Yep, it's just a 1 minute. Yeah, it's just a 1 minute. I saw this beautiful 1 minute here. I'll go ahead and highlight it for you guys. Bang. Price inversed it, tapped into it like 20 times, literally so many times here. Um, didn't take it. This is the trade I missed. This was the first trade right here that I missed. I was ready to take this and I just missed it because, well, I was too focused on this 3 minute here. Um, to focus on the 3 minute caused me to miss a trade. Super crazy. I know. Super upsetting. So then what happened? Price came up all the way up here. I'm not gonna go through all the trades that I kind of faded, but that was the main one that I faded. This one was super valid and I faded it. Crazy, crazy work. Price came up all the way up here. Looks like it matched. Looks like this is when it oops. Looks like this is when it's matched. It matched this high. Yeah. Came up to this high, broke it, started coming down randomly. Looks like it came up to this high. I did see a 3 minute here. I don't know if it was maybe that's why maybe that's what it was reacting off of. Maybe there was no 3 minute. Where was it? Was it a five? It was a five. No, it wasn't a five. I don't know what it was reacting off of actually. I thought I knew, but I clearly don't. Okay, I don't know. But yeah, price started coming down. It's not gonna let me size up, which is super annoying. So I have to like, there you go. Okay, price started coming down. Made a crazy bearish candle here, down to the downside. Started reacting off of a fair value gap here. Looks like this 2 minute bounced off this 2 minute, and made a 2 minute inverse towards the upside. Bang, crazy 2 minute inverse. Now what did I do this time? This was a weird trade, and I took this weirdly on purpose. Um, I didn't have a lot of confidence in this trade. Um, Let me make this look a little more pretty for you guys. Hold on, bang, bang. I didn't have a lot of confidence in this trade. When it came all the way up, I literally put my entry all the way down here, which is super weird. But I'm also glad I did that because I would have had a way bigger loss. Um, put my entry here. So price came up, came all the way down, tagged my entry. It actually started to come up a little bit. If I here, I'll just hop down to a lower time frame, show you guys. It started to come up just a little bit, tagged me in, came up a little bit, came up a little bit more, and then just sunk all the way down, and took me out. Again, like, how do I feel about it? I mean, I don't know. I guess that's what I get for fading so many trades. Um, I don't really have much to say about it. It just didn't play out how I thought it would play out. Um, I've been on a crazy win streak, so it's like it's okay. But yeah, I just need to, as long as I take care of my risk, we should be all right, and we still should be, heading towards that payout. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Um, yeah, I don't know if the market's gonna be, no, it should be open tomorrow. I don't know why I thought it was not gonna be open. Should be open tomorrow. We'll see if we get a trade. It's gonna be Friday. It's my second trade of the week, and we're gonna end on a 70 something dollar loss. Super upsetting, but it's all right. If I don't trade tomorrow. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any advice, please leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, all right, peace.